Hello, this is Masa Kinoshita, Head of International Office, Earthquake Research Institute, University of Tokyo. Thank you for visiting us today. So this is a special session, and here is not a visiting research science, of course, he's not. He is Professor Satake, who used to be a head of international office until 2015. He retired 2 years ago, and now he's still working very hard. So this is the movie. I would like to ask him about what we, the international office, ERI, should aim, should go from this point in this situation. As well as maybe I would like to ask Satake-san to talk about his own researches, because he is still very actively doing his research. Okay, お願いします。Welcome. Yes. Okay. So, can you just introduce yourself?
Okay. Thank you. My name is Kenji SATAKE, and as Kinoshita-san said, I was head of international office from 2011 to 2015. And then I became a director of Earthquake Research Institute from 2019 to 2023. And I'm retired last year, actually, to 2000 to 2024. Yes. And actually, I'm now a professor emeritus, but also I'm a professor at the National Central University in Taiwan. And my own research is on giant earthquakes and tsunamis. And giant meaning like magnitude 9, like such as 2011 Tohoku earthquake or 2004 Sumatra Andaman earthquake that generated Indian Ocean tsunami. And because such giant earthquakes are rare, very rare, since 20th century, we have only 5 or 6 events happen. So because they are rare, that means if you want to study such giant earthquakes in the past, we have to use various methods, not only for geophysical method, using the seismogram or tsunami waveform, but also we have to use like historical data, and also we have to do a geological method, such as the tsunami deposits or marine terraces and so forth. And also, because giant earthquakes are rare, we have to study not only Japan, but also many other countries and all the subduction zones in the world. So that's why I've been working in like South America, North America, and Indonesia, and so around the Pacific Ocean. I'm doing, and also the Indian Ocean, to study such giant events. So that's how I got involved in international collaboration with many other countries and many other colleagues.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So you're working, you have been and you're still working all around many Pacific, but all around the world.
Yes.
Right? So before, the first question to Satake-san is that we, the international office, have experienced 20 years anniversary. It's a long history. 2 decades is long enough. So can you just let me know what the international office used to be? What was the role, and then how it's changed?
Okay. The international office was established, I think, 2005 or around that time. And when they were established, we have some funding from MEX, Ministry of Education and Science and Technology, to invite a few foreign faculty and a young researcher, like a postdoc. And the international office was established to take care of those visiting researchers and making some, invitation, and also like a visa issue and some other, those help. But so originally, our international office job was limited to only those researchers who are invited by ERI or international office. But later, the role is expanded to include foreign students and also visiting researchers invited by other funding or funding. And also, when I was head of international office, I actually 1 year I had an email from a student from China that they found a program called Sakura program. And actually, I didn't know that, but they found it in China. And then I found, and then we can apply for the Sakura program. And then we applied, and we asked my colleagues in many Asian countries like China, Taiwan, and also Korea, and then India to advertise this and also to introduce some good students. So then they apply. And then I think every year we have like 10 or so students coming in. So it's that also more than 10 years. I think. And also we participate with the UTokyo program of the Faculty of Science. And that also, then few students, at least few students, I myself got nearly 10 students in, I think, since 2011 or 2011 or 12. And some of the UTokyo students became my graduate students and got a PhD degree later in University of Tokyo. So like last 10 years or so, then every summer we have more than 10 students from Asia and all over the world. And that also became very international.
Okay. Thank you very much. So as you said, you have been, or we have been, inviting many researchers as well as students.
Yes.
Okay. What do you think? So, but we are spending the fund for that.
Yes.
The tax actually. What do you think? What is the outcome of this? Keep inviting 10 or maybe 20 researchers to ERI. What can we get, or what is the outcome?
Well, for the original program, inviting the researchers, top-notch student. I mean, the researchers from the world.
Yep.
And then that usually motivate for the international collaboration. And then usually that continues even after they went back.
Yes.
And then we can do some collaboration and just write a joint, the research paper, and that's how we just start from the international collaboration.
Okay.
And for the young students like Sakura or UTokyo, as I said, some of them come back as graduate students, and also that is also good for not only for the people coming here, but also I ask, for example, few of my students to take care, Japanese students to take care of those international students, and they become very good friends. And so then after they graduated, they still keep contact.
Yeah.
And that's how the students become international, and that's another merit of that. Yeah.
Okay. So you say that the one of the advantage of doing this program is that some students first came as, say, Sakura Science, but they decided to enter the graduate school, and eventually they got degrees and they get job in Japan. Some of them
got a job in Japan. Some of them are still in Japan. Some of them went back to their own countries
and then get job there.
Yeah, right.
That's still fine.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I personally have been thinking that kind of brand image, or kind of the ERI is famous enough in Japan already. So we kind of don't have to advertise much inside Japan. What is the reputation in the world of ERI?
I think this is also, the ERI is very known, at least in seismology or volcanology, and this is known to the world. And when we go to like international meeting, like IASPE, IUGG, or EGU, and AOGS, many people said, "Oh, I was in ERI before." Actually, as I said, I'm now in Taiwan, but some of faculty has been here, some of the students have been here.
Yes.
So they seem to have a very good impression about ERI.
Okay. Do you think we need to spread more, attract more international community other than like Taiwan or others, like other countries, for example?
Yes.
Like what? I mean.
Well, we have many. Well, in the past, we have many people from U.S. Or Europe, and also Asian countries like Taiwan, Korea or China. But there are many other countries like Indonesia or Philippines and India. We have some Indians here already, but we should expand this more to some other countries.
That reminds me that what is the kind of the country or region that we have to put more, emphasis or, we already have like collaboration with Taiwan, for example.
Yes.
We can enhance that one, but what if like maybe India or?
India, we do have some collaboration, but some India and as I said, India, Indonesia, Singapore,
Singapore, yes.
And also Myanmar. Also, although this is still difficult, but politically difficult, but it's a potential there. And also, there's many difficulty due to current potential. I mean, the political issues.
Yes.
But Russia is many. We used to have many collaboration with Russians.
Right. Yeah, actually, we do have the Russian is a student or something. So that's a good thing, regardless of the political situation, as long as we can collaborate.
Yes. Right.
Okay. So maybe from now, because ERI is having the 100 years anniversary, and then we should think about what we should go ahead.
Yes.
So the bottom line is maybe we should continue our invitation program.
Yes.
What can you think about other additional for the next 100 years, for example?
Next 100 years is too far.
But as an international activity.
Well, I think we should keep inviting researchers and students.
Or exchange.
And maybe also we should send more people, particularly for graduate students or young faculty, to other countries. To advertise for the ERI activity.
All right, so maybe I should switch a little bit to your own research things. You already briefly explained what you have been doing, the research. Can you explain more, and especially what was the role for this international office activity to your own research?
Yeah, as I said, I've been studying many big giant earthquakes in many parts of the world. So we're starting, say, South America, the Chile, where we had many large earthquakes, the largest earthquake in the world, 1960 and also 2010. There's both are almost magnitude 9. Well, actually, one is more than 9.5. And for that one, I've been collaborating with the Chilean colleagues, and we had the University of Tokyo has some collaboration and also the exchange of the students and researchers. Every 2 years we go there, they invite them. So then that's how we've been working with Chilean colleagues to study the earthquakes in South America. And for North America, also I've been working with USGS people and also some other people in California or other countries. And again, for the large earthquakes in Cascadia and also Alaska Aleutian. Then again, in the past, we used to work with the Russian people for the Kuril, earthquake in Kuril. Then for Japan, around Japan, well, like after 2011 earthquake in Tohoku, many people from many researchers from the world visited us. So we hosted them, took them to the in Tohoku region, and so then from the I'm going just counterclockwise for the Pacific Ocean. Now it's going to like Nankai, Ryukyu,
Yes.
and then Taiwan, obviously. And then we have, then if you go south, I have been working with people from Filipino,
Yeah.
and also we have some collaboration with from Philippines. Then Indonesia. Indonesia is where the 2004
Yes.
large earthquake happened, and since then we had a satellites project in
With Indonesia.
around 20. Actually, that it's almost ended around 20. I think they started 2008 or so, and then so during the project, the 2011 Tohoku earthquake happened. So then people came here, but also we work on this is a multidisciplinary project involving seismologists, volcanologists, engineers, and even social scientists.
Oh,
And we
yes.
have a very good connection with the ITB, Bandung Institute of Technology,
Yes.
and some other institutes. And also India. I've been working with the people from India for the large earthquakes and tsunamis, and also earthquakes, both in ocean and also like in Himalaya.
Yeah.
Well, then I should say that I forgot to say that.
Wow.
But besides this, but we have, although I also working with the European people.
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah.
Italy or France, and and also like on historical earthquakes, because they've been working on the historical earthquakes in Europe, and also I forgot to mention about the China, like China.
I was asking.
Yeah, the China also. I said I had like 3 PhD, or two PhD from mainland China and one from Taiwan. I had 3 Chinese students graduated there. But we have some institutional collaboration or workshop with IPGP, like France, and also like Peking, right? Peking University. And I think that's a good way to just keep, not only for individual, but as an institute, we have a group of collaboration as a group. And that we should continue and maybe expand, although logistic may be hard. But
sure.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, no, not only on the individual basis, we are doing institutional workshop, school, seminar things.
Yeah, and we had like a summer school.
Yes.
With collaboration with some, SCAC and also in Europe. So that's another good opportunity to have this, to invite to encourage young students and young researchers, and even they don't have the partner, but if they join for such an institutional workshop, they can find a new partner to work with.
Yes. That kind of workshop is a good chance for people to know each other and make a connection. Right? All right, thank you very much. Maybe at the last of this movie, I would like to ask you some message to the young researchers who may want to come to ERI or kind of thing.
Yeah. Well, I think for the people in the group, other countries, ERI is always welcome you as a various way. Like if you're undergraduate students, you can join. You can apply for like a Sakura program or U-trip for the summer school, or you can just come as a graduate student, formal graduate students, or ERI and also other like JSPS has a program or the postdoc program to spend a year or two, and also for the researchers who already has a post in their own country, we have a visiting program, a researcher program. So there are many ways to, and ERI always welcome you to come.
Okay. All right, thank you very much. As Satake-san said, we have a various lines of program that you have a chance to apply, even for undergraduate or graduate PhD students, or postdocs, or senior scientists.
Yeah.
So I think this is not very often for other institutions. I think it's a kind of unique opportunity that we have in ERI. So please contact us if you are interested, or if you are a professor, you should introduce this program to your students. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay,
thank you very much.